Okay, forget about what happened last year. Let's have you make a decision. We're going to learn Torah tonight. We're going to grow. We're going to be excited. We're not going to hang outside. You're going to tell your kids, not hang outside. I want to see you in the basement. I want to hear you in the basement. For my sake, I want to see you. I want to give a peek. All right, whatever you, I don't know, whatever you're saying. If your husband does it, you got to do it. When you have no children, you have no one. You want to do it, you want to feel good. It's nice feeling. That is a way of encouraging of your husband. I mean, something special for you. Especially when I want to have a chelik of your learning. Your learning is my learning. What do I mention? Whatever way, whatever. And you mentioned, it's followed by the candles. You get your girls together. You must follow now, which is nice. By the candles, you marry a tomahawk. What does that mean? You're programming them your values. And he's trying to see that in them. You have to be innovative in whatever you want to do. If you plan your Shiur night, what you're going to do, so when you do it, you won't be on the spot. You'll put more energy in it. You know, this is what I got to do now. Okay? You know, I'm going to do with energy, with feeling, with meaning. Or you have three things that you won't forget. Or maybe you can add something innovative in as you're doing it. You know, you can just feel your children, your husband, whatever. Torah's life. Now we have the chance to Kabbalah Torah. And you yourself will Kabbalah upon yourself the Torah, all time. You get your girls together. On Friday night when you get the bracha, all the girls down.
I read in the author from the Megillah that the main point of the Megillah, what we really like from the Megillah is total dedication to Hashem, to the point that we don't even care what other people think of us. And I was just wondering, is that what it is, especially for women, Kabbalah, because we read it on Shavuot, I was trying to make a connection. What is Torah? What is Kabbalah Torah? And what does it have to do with the Megillah? Or maybe with the...
Well, that's what... I wouldn't say the word you don't care what people think about you. I try to say, when you do something that's correct is also balance between man and God and man. Whatever comes out is the balance of doing the right thing. And then you go forward. There are some people who will make fun. This is the right thing even though they make fun. Because you have to know Allah, you're allowed to make fun. Not everything you got to do because people make fun. Maybe you're not allowed to, but you are allowed. But definitely it's in the equation. When you make the decision to do it, focus. The word is focus on doing it right. Forget about everything. The word is focus. Focus on doing it. And when you focus on doing it, you don't say, I don't care what other people say about it. I got to focus on doing it, and these things become fudgy, and the people become disciplined. I got to do it. I don't see the other people. A little different. What do you do? Focus.
Not focus on the people, focus on
the act, and then the other people will do it. Let's say you have to daven, it's in the middle of an airplane, airport, it's on a bus. What do? You say what people are looking for, you won't be able to do it. You gotta focus, I gotta daven, Hashem, that's all you do. You see anything else, it's called focus. Not that I'm going to do it, I don't care what people say and not say. Once you think those magic words, they really are what people say. So then at a certain place you'll annoy you, somebody shouts you, you'll just knock you out from your davening. Because you say, I'm not going to look what people say. You say, I'm not going to kill you. You're worrying what people are going to say, and you're saying no. So you're already using a lot of energy. But if I say I'm going to focus on what? On doing what I got to do, all the rest disappears. I'll give you an example. It says that the teacher that teaches you has to be Malach Hashem Tzvokos. It has to be like a very spiritual hyper, like a Malach. How we see the rabbis tell Malach, and we find a lot of flaws. So the answer is simple. You focus on the good part and forget about everything else. But if you're focusing on the person in general and the good deed, where he does this and that, so you're missing the point. Focus on the thing that you got to gain from. And do it what he's teaching you. Go focus. That's the whole thing. Again, focus. Again, focus on assures. Don't focus on making it to a spiritual code. Forget about everything. Or focus your kids learning Torah. Focus on forget about it. Other things are not important. You have to do other things. But what's the word? Focus. That way you any other questions? Now they asked everybody to, when they asked embarrassing, think to yourself, what innovative thing can you do here? Forget about what they do in the other people's house. What are you doing in your house that's different, special? Maybe it's the same thing everybody else does, but what are you going to do now that you didn't do last year? You have to sit and think about it. Doesn't happen by itself. Then you plan. A few days to plan. Now, all plans may not work out, but you try. You see, when your mind is focusing on ideas and what was the story of Moshe Rabbeinu? How come nobody thought of putting that baby in a little basket? Because they said, the Rabbi explained that since they saw a light shining from the baby, they knew the baby had to be saved. They didn't know how. They said, how God said the baby must be saved. Because why should it be a light? Like, he can't be that he's going to die. So they thought and thought until they found the light. I don't know. But they didn't see that light. They accept destiny. And some people try to hide the baby. But if somebody didn't get the push. Here he had the push. It can be anywhere. So what are you going to do special for your children, your husband? Don't talk around. Think. Let's think for a minute. Think. Put your heads down. Shut your eyes. Give you 3 minutes to think. Come on. Don't start from now. Think. What are you doing? I'm thinking myself. Tell her what to. Who speaks French? You understand a little bit? Think how you're going to make sure it's different and special. Come on, girls. Shut your eyes. 10 seconds, man. Shut your eyes and put your head down. It says all books. Takes 3 minutes to think. Nu, תסגרי את העיניים. איך תהיה, מה תעשה חדש בשיעור? נו, תסגרי את העיניים. תסגרי את העיניים, תחשבי. Concentrate. Don't go away. Tell her what it is. Explain it. Right now is 1 minute past. You have another 2 minutes. 3 minutes is a long time. Now it's 2 minutes, you have 1 minute left. It's a long time, let's think positive, creative, new ideas. You have 15 seconds left. Come on, push. You have 7 seconds left. Okay, let's go. Open your eyes. 3 minutes is a long time. You have to be creative. Think new ideas. So, now, I gotta tell you one more secret. Sit up straight, girls. Come on. Sit up. We sit up. You gotta be in a peak position. This you have to know. 62 or 64% of influencing is your physiognomy, which is your body position, and the actions you do, effectively. So, when you're going to get into shurs, you got to put yourself in a peak state. That's a physical, not a schlep state, not that kind of feel good about yourself. And, you maybe put on something nice, take a shower, pin yourself, whatever. Get yourself in a peak state, and you go forward positive. You got to be in a peak state. In your peak state, you can function, you can do, you can think, you can be creative. Same thing with your kids. You see your kids, the table, sit straight, are energetic, slouching around, pinching you. The physical body, the things that you do, is 62-64% that influence the person. That's seven ishmael, right? You do the physical things you do with that's that tremendous influence on the person. Smile. Go back to smile. Imagine one night you come home, other than smiling, yante, let's go. Happy, change of mode. Shoulders back, come on. Look nice. Shake along, whatever you do. Whatever you do, makes you feel good and feel good. You feel good, and then until you get to this tie, okay, good. Time comes in. Feel good about yourself, the situation. I'm going to act differently, not with cars, no anger, happy, positive, and go forward. That's important. And then be able to win. Also, new ideas will come in, because you're in a peak state. You have more alertness, more sensitivity, what's going on, more consciousness, what's happening. Anyway, Chag Sameach. I hope that the Makabal all Torah, all mitzvahs, and be able to influence as a woman your husband and your family, and also a little bit yourself. Okay.